I want you to look around wherever you are. Look around your room and just notice 5 things that you see. Count them out in your head. And then I want you to listen really quietly for 4 things that you hear. Okay. And if you can't get to 4, it's okay. We're going to move on. You don't have to get exactly 4. It's not the point of this. Now I want you to go to 3 things that you physically feel, not emotionally, physically feel. So I always do. One should be what I call your anchor, something that you always have on you. So for a lot of us, that might be your EDC, right? Whatever your EDC is. I use my ring, my wedding ring. That's my anchor. When I can flick that and feel it, I know I'm not dreaming. I'm not in a flashback. This is reality. Okay. So 3 things that you physically feel. Do that right now. It can be the chair underneath you. It can be the floor underneath your feet. It can be your clothes on your back. Now you're going to do 2 things that you smell. If you pay attention, you can probably smell your deodorant and your soap if you really stop to think about it, or your detergent on your clothes. Okay, if you can't get 2, don't worry about it. We're going to keep going. 1 thing you taste. Right now, the only thing I taste is my water. Maybe you taste chewing gum or whatever you're drinking, or your cigarette or whatever. 1 thing that you taste. What we're doing here, this is called sensory grounding, and what you're doing is you're forcing sensory input into your brain. When you're having a flashback, your brain is like creating this, like, for lack of a better term, virtual reality matrix kind of thing, where you now feel like you're in this old memory, and it feels very real, including smells and sounds and things like that. Sometimes it depends on how intense it is. But now you're saying, no, this is where we are. We're in the present. We're in this room right here. You can add in what's today's date, who's the current president, what's the last movie I watched, what's the last book I read, right? You're forcing your brain to refocus on the present by pushing that sensory stimuli into the brain. And you want to do this. I know I did it slow there for demonstration purposes, but you want to get to so you can do this quick.